Usapang budget phone tayo today, and here comes the return of the budget king. Andito sa aking table is the Redmi 10a, which is probably the successor of the highly popular Redmi 9a. So gusto natin malaman kung nag-improve nga ba siya or, well, almost the same. Tara, usap tayo. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So hawak ko dito right now is the Redmi 10a, and I know na ang dami sa inyo nag-aantay nito. It's been 2 years halos bago naglabas si Xiaomi nito. I'm not sure what took them so long, and yes, finally it's here. Ang dami kasi natin ng mga naghahanap ng mga budget phone with the price point of 6,000 pesos and below. And by the way guys, itong Redmi 10a na may 3 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage right now is priced at 5,999. Check the official link on the description box below. But before that, unbox muna tayo. So ayan guys, nakita na natin ang quick unboxing ni Redmi 10a. And it's a very budget-friendly phone. And I can say na itong phone is a very budget-friendly device. At 5,999, medyo beefy naman ang kanyang specs. So inside of this one is a MediaTek Helio G25. I know na hindi siya ganong kalakasan, but it always get the job done. Multitasking, walang problema. Bigyan mo siya ng mga tasks like browsing on social media, and of course, watching YouTube and other tasks na, well, na hindi mabigat. Kayang-kaya naman niya. Now, sabi ni Antutu, binigyan siya ng score ng 101,000, which is for me, for a budget series na above 100,000 is not really so bad. Of course, benchmark is just benchmark. Depende naman sa inyong usage. For me, it gets the job done. Okay na sa akin. So, pasyalin ko muna kayo dito sa phone na ito. Sa ilalim, meron siyang microphone in, micro USB charging port, and kanyang loudspeaker. Sa side, nandiyan kanyang SIM tray. And pag eject natin, makita natin, it's a triple card slot. 2 nano SIM and isang micro SD. Definitely, it's a 4G capable one. Huwag din ang tanong sa akin kung 5G nga ba siya. Sa ibabaw, meron pa siyang audio jack. At sa kabila, meron siyang power button and ang kanyang volume rocker. Sa likod, meron siyang 13MP na camera setup. And of course, andyan ang kanyang fingerprint scanner. Now, taking a quick look sa kanyang design, you know what guys? Itong phone na ito is almost the same sa Redmi 9C from last 2 years ago. And it also has roughly the same price point. 599 upon release. And masasabi ko sa inyo, nilagyan lang nila na isang frame dito just to make sure na medyo kakaiba ang kanyang design. Yung sa Redmi 9C, camera module, and itong fingerprint button lang, wala itong frame na ito. The rest is almost looking the same. Pati kanyang mga lines dito is copied from the Redmi 9C. Now, check yung kanyang fingerprint scanner. Okay naman siya. Responsive naman. And, well, hindi naman siya ganun kabilisan tulad ng mga flagship phones, but it gets the job done. Well, feeling ko nag-unlock siya in roughly 1.5 second or, well, a little less than 2 second. Pwede na, di ba? Now, chinek ko ang spec sheet ni Redmi 9C and ni Redmi 10a. It's almost exactly the same except na mas mababa ang kanyang processor. Si 9C, meron siyang MediaTek Helio G35. Ito, G25. And ang camera module ni 9C is mas marami. It has triple camera setup. Ito, single camera lens lang. Now, tinignan ko kanyang rear camera module. Ito ang 13MP and ito, walang silbi. Itong second module na ito, LED flash and of course, sensor na ito. So, chinek ko ang kanyang camera module dito sa phone na ito. And I was wondering, no, ba't ang dami niyang sensor dito sa likod? And sabi nga ng spec sheet, it only has one 13MP na camera sensor. So, tinakpan ko ito. Definitely, it's the main lens. Pag tinakpan mo ito, wala nangyari. Okay? So, mas malinaw kung ganito natin takpan. Yan, okay? So, nothing happened. Kita pa rin natin mga picture. So, hindi ko muna siya bibitawan. Okay? So, right now, zoom natin. So, hindi siya zoom lens. And lalagyan natin sa portrait. Hindi rin siya portrait lens. So, I'm not quite sure kung anong lens siya, no? Probably depth sensor or what. But definitely, wala siyang use itong lens na ito. So, as expected, the phone na ito only has a level 3 na wideband security level, which means hindi ka na makakanood ng mga HD dito sa phone na ito. But as expected sa ganitong price point, hindi nga talaga. But it doesn't stop me from watching videos on YouTube, from Netflix here. And I can say okay naman siya. Yung viewing angle niya is nice. And the colors are okay. Not as punchy as, of course, yung mga flagship na phone. It has an IPS LCD na 6.53-inch. 400 nits ang kanyang max brightness, and it can only display up to 720p. And it has a screen-to-body ratio na 81%. Meaning, medyo makapal ang mga chin niya, lalo sa ilalim and sa ibabaw. But the viewing angle dito is definitely okay. Wala namang naging problema. Nanood ako ng YouTube, nanood ako ng mga Netflix, and I was able to browse Facebook and Twitter and Instagram dito, TikTok. Walang kaproblema. Smooth naman ang aking viewing experience kahit 60 Hz lang siya. Now, itong phone na ito comes running on Android 11 and MIUI 12.5. I'm not quite sure kung magkakaroon ng update to MIUI 13, but as of now, this is the latest. Browsing your favorite social media dito sa Redmi 10a is okay. I don't expect too much from this one since wala naman siya 90 Hz subscriber refresh rate, it's just 60. But of course, don't expect too much. But masasabi ko siya, it gets the job done. Okay naman siya. And watching video here is also okay. Not the best in any budget phone that I've tried, but for me, pwede na. Nakakaraos naman siya. But just don't expect too much lang sa kanyang display. Now, here are some photos na nakuha ko sa kanyang 13MP na rear camera module. It was okay lang. Hindi naman ganun kagandahan. There are some shots outdoors na okay. There are some shots na hindi okay. Indoor, medyo okay, so-so lang. But of course, don't expect too much dahil sa low light, medyo hindi siya nakaka-perform. Taking some selfie shots is, well, surprisingly, medyo okay naman siya. There are some shots outdoors na pretty much okay. Snappy naman siya. But there are some indoor shots na pagdating sa low light, medyo sumasablay na konti. Now, itong Redmi 10a, I can say na okay siya. You can now crown it as the new budget king, successor of the Redmi 9a, which is very popular last year and 2 years back. And I can say na all-around performer naman siya. It could be a good backup unit, or it could also be your daily driver if you're really on a budget. It's just 5,999 for the 3 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. Links on the description below. Now, kung gusto nyo itong video nito, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na rin ang bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss ang mga future videos here sa aking channel. And guys, don't forget to check my playlist for more other videos. Ako nga pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?